In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut video in DaVinci Resolve step by step. First, make sure you are on edit page. This is the different version of or different page of DaVinci Resolve. Make sure you are on edit page. Now let's add a video to DaVinci Resolve. Go to top left corner, click on File, go to Import, click on Media, or you can press Ctrl I on Windows and Command I on macOS. I'm going to select from desktop. So I'm going to use this video for example. Next, we can drag this video into timeline. Now we can close this area by clicking on media pool. So now we can see two screens side by side. So now you can click on this rectangle to make this screen bigger. So now let me show you how to cut video in DaVinci Resolve. You can see this red timeline bar. You can move it here and there. So move this bar to the position where we want to make a cut. Let's say I'm going to make a cut in this portion. So I place the bar where I want to make a cut and press Ctrl B on Windows or Command B on macOS. So my video now divided in two parts. So we don't want this part of our video, so just make selection. So if you hit delete on your keyboard, your video starting point will be deleted. So if I just make a playback now, start immediate. So if you make any kind of mistake, you can undo that. So if you are on Windows, press Ctrl Z, or if you are on macOS, press Command Z. So now let me show you how to cut middle of a video. So I want to cut where the 10 is appearing like this. So I'll press Ctrl B and I will drag the red line at the end on this. Is the point. And once again Ctrl B. So now we can see we cut out the middle point. So now we can just hit delete on keyboard or right click and select ripple delete to delete the video. Also you can use arrow key on your keyboard to move the playhead right or left. So if I press left key on my keyboard, the red line will go left, and if I press right arrow key on my keyboard, my video timeline will go right side. So you can use your keyboard arrow keys to go left or right, or you can use your mouse to choose where you want to make exactly the cut. So now let me show you how to delete end point of this video. So if I just go back, I want to delete the part when the train is disappeared, and just select the timeline and hit Ctrl B on Windows and Command B on macOS. Select the clip and hit delete. Or you can use another way, which is just select the track and drag like this. So that's how also it will trim out the clip. So that's how you can make cut on DaVinci Resolve step by step.